welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. Thank you so much for coming to watch this video. Today I have a package from my friend over there at Paper Crafting with Enis. She is such a wonderful friend and crafter, and if you do not know Enis, you must go check out her channel. She is a fantastic crafter. She does some great tutorials over there. She has some fantastic ideas. I just enjoy watching her channel so much. And she's got a cute little kitty that gets into the videos. Almost all the videos, he has to come and say hello. And that is just fine with me because I think he is adorable. His name is Kiki. He is so cute. I should have sent him some treats when I sent my entry in. Oh, look how pretty. She's got this cute little lips. So she's got that on the side of this box. What a great way to use those stickers. We'll be friends until we're old and senile, then we'll be new friends. Right? The senile part's coming up very quickly. Dear Sharon, thank you so much for being such an inspiration and a wonderful friend. I hope you enjoy these goodies and have a happy Valentine's Day. Love Enis and Kiki. And she is on YouTube and Instagram at Paper Crafting with Enis, and I will link her channel in the description. Making a lifetime of memories. Happy Valentine's Day. Very, very cute, Enis. Thank you. I can't really inspire anybody because I haven't done any type of crafting, but you definitely inspire me over on your channel. Oh, look at this. This is heart bubble wrap. That's adorable. And then she's got this pretty little hearts in here. Look at this. Little foam hearts. What a great idea. Shred these little balls here. Look, that is such a great idea. It's your own little scatter. Let me not lose this. Put this up for next year. Oh, looky there. She made these on her channel, and I don't even want to take this apart. I'm not going to, but I'm going to link that video in my description. These are sock cupcakes. These are cupcake holders. I think she got these at Dollar Tree. I think I seen those. And she wrapped them up in this tool. She glued the sides down and she tied this pretty ribbon on here. And how adorable is that? Oh yeah, she's put some sprinkles on top of here. These are so cute and fun. See, what a great idea. She's got fantastic ideas over there. Here is one of those little cute fortune cookies. You make every day special. Aww. Oh, and she's got this cute little heart. Happy Valentine's Day. And then it is full of, she got it on some cute little washi tape on here. And full of cute little goodies. Oh, look at that little bear. Isn't that cute? An ice cream cone. Let me just drop. This cute little heart, an M&M, this cute little button heart, cute little ice cream cone charm, XOXO heart, a bee, aw, little fairy. That's too cute. Hold on to that. Purple M&M. Sweetheart charm, a flower charm. Sure what that is. I don't know. That's so cute. This little heart looks like a macaron. An ice cream cone charm. Oh, that cute little envelope. Oh, that pretty little bow. Isn't that cute? That's cute, like a little macaron with a bow on it. A little blue diamond heart charm. An ice cream cone with a bow. That's too cute. Some little gumdrop candies with some sugar glaze on it. A piece of cake with a strawberry. A cupcake. A little gummy bear. A piece of chocolate bar. A piece of vanilla bar. White chocolate, right? A little ballerina charm, a heart with a key charm, so cute. This says a Q on it, heart. Another one of those little diamond pink charms. A teeny tiny little bow. Another teeny tiny little bow with a heart gem in the middle of it. That's too cute. Little heart charms. And I'm not sure what this is. Is this one of those little parachute things? Yeah, I don't think I want to open that. I think that's what that is. That's cute. Enis, thank you so much. Just got this little package here with this little clothespin on it. How cute is that? Love the little bag. Oh, she made these on her channel. They're so pretty. I watched her make these. Oh, look. Look how cute. She added these dangles on here. I will link the tutorial to these in the description. I'm sure most of you have seen this already, but this was so cute. And how smart that she put this over top of here. So cute. Love this sticker right here. That is so cute. Oh, so pretty. Oh, look how cute. I just love these. These are so fun. What a great idea. These little charms, dangles are so cute. Love these little hearts. Be My Valentine. She's got 25 cents on here and kisses. So cute. What a great, and she's got all these little gems on here. What a great idea. I love them. Fantastic idea. Oh, it's this cute little purse she's made. Look, with the ribbon handle. Cute little flower. It's got a little shaker on the front. Be mine. And a shaker on the back. Oh my gosh. And a cute little dangle. Oh, that cute little puzzle piece there. She's got some Hershey's Kisses in there and a sucker. A cute little bracelet, which I will give back to my granddaughter. She will enjoy that. How cute, Enis. Oh, you can see through that shaker. Where did you get that acetate? Oh, that's too cute. You see the acetate? It's got, is that out of that? Oh, I think that's out of that Michael's collection. I didn't get to do any Valentine's crafting. I have not yet. Not with traditional Valentine stuff. This is adorable, Enis. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. I love it. And then she's got a little cute little pouch here with a strawberry on here. Oh, look how cute those are. Oh, so cute. Oh, I will wear those too. I sure will wear those next year. Those are adorable. Thank you, Enis. I love them. These cute little bag. Oh, look at this little cute. She's got some shred in this bag with the little pretty flowers on here. We'll try to save that. Cute little dangle one here. These little key and heart. Be mine on this little, I don't remember what these are called. Anyway, to hang rabbits' feet off them. I can't remember what they are. She's got a cute little sequins mix in here. There we go. Cute little hearts, some little beads in here, some shaker balls, sequins, X's and O's it looks like. Oh, this is so cute. Thank you, Enis. Love it. Oh, look at these gorgeous flowers she made. And she showed how to make, she made these little bag toppers on her channel. How cute and fun are those? She sewed right through here and she left the extra threads here. She's got a cute little teeny tiny rosette. It says with love. These gorgeous flowers with some shimmery paper. She's made those. If you can see, those flowers are beautiful. Enis, you just really crafted your little heart out for Valentine's Day, didn't you? Oh my goodness. Fantastic. These bag toppers are so fun and such a great idea. Oh, these are so cute. She has stitched. Look how she stitched that. Like this on here. How pretty is that? Left the extra threads on there. A bow on there. That's so fun. These tags are stinking adorable. Look at those tags. How cute. Hugs, Cupid, and kisses. She's got some little gems on there, heart gems on some seam binding, some little bows. These are gorgeous. Wow, Enis, thank you so much. Oh, and then I got another bag topper. She has stitched that around here. You are my favorite on a rosette, and want to carry from Double Click Connects Dewdrops. Little embellishments, like little tags. I think she stamped these. Love is sweet, like cupcakes. Little Miss Heartbreaker. You hold the key to my heart. Always and forever. Stealing hearts like Cupid. Will you be my Valentine? She's got that popped up there. These beautiful flowers on here. Seam binding. These are too cute. Fantastic job on those, Enis. Well, I'm pretty sure she stamped those. Pretty sure of that. And oh, look. This is a sticker on here. Oh, I wonder where you got these bags because I ordered them and mine were way too small. If you could give me a link for those, if you ever get the chance to, I would be greatly appreciative of that. She sent the extra ink insert. Look how pretty this is. She's got a little bead, a spacer right here with diamonds, a little tiny heart. This heart's focals, a little... Oh, it's coming out. She's got that mix in here. It's like, what in the world? A little heart bead here. Another one of the bead spacers. A pretty bead there. And if you see that pin, it's kind of ombre. Pink down here to yellow. And then that's how we write with it. And I love pins so much. I will add this right in my collection. And she's got some little sequins mixed down in here with some shred. Enis, what a wonderful, sweet Valentine's package from you. I so appreciate it. You sure did not have to. I really love everything. And I will definitely be using some of these things in my projects next year for Valentine's crafting. This is too cute to even open. I'm going to stick it right up on my shelf of projects that my friends have made for me. I love everything. These are going to go in the wand jar. Absolutely adorable. Cute card. This little teeny purse full of goodies. Oh my goodness. Enis, thank you so much. I love everything. Make sure you go and check Enis out. You're going to love her channel. She is such an amazing crafter. Thank you, Enis, again. I hope you had a lovely Valentine's Day. Thank you, Kiki. Thank you all so much for coming and watching this video so late after Valentine's Day. I really do appreciate all of you who come no matter what I post. I really appreciate you. I appreciate everybody who comes and spends 1 minute watching my video. I hope you have a fantastic morning, noon, afternoon, evening, night, whatever time of day it is. You're watching videos, whatever you're doing. I hope you're having fun or getting to relax, whatever makes you happy. Thank you. Bye.